Hey guys, I wanted to do a real quick video for you this morning on how to save okra seeds. So I noticed that I have an okra that is way too big and there's no way that I can ever use it. So we're going to leave this here on the plant until it starts to dry out, and let me come and show you what it's going to do. So when your okra gets too big and it starts to dry out, you can take it off the plant and it's going to look like this for a little while. And then you're going to start to notice that it starts to crack. I don't know if you can see that. So it starts to crack just a little bit. And I'm going to try to show you the progression of what the crack looks like. So then it starts to really separate along the edges. Then it's going to open up. And you can see there are seeds inside. So when it gets to this point, all you have to do is turn it upside down and shake the seeds out. So now you can take your okra seeds and store them in a cool, dry place over the winter, and they'll be ready to plant in the spring. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe so you can see more videos like these.